Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy seafood feed for fish pond in Abyss Roblox. So if you want your pond dwellers to grow fast, stay healthy, and produce raw for your breeding farm, you need a steady supply of seafood. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact location to stock up this essential resource. So first, you just need to go to the to the fish pond and find the seafood store in here. So there are a lot of kinds. So this one is a worm feed, fish feed, and also the algae feed. So I've already have a few. This one is shrimp feed and also the algae feed. So what you need to just find your fish pond. So this is my fish pond in here, and to give it to your fish you can just view your fish pond. So this is my current feed. You can just click on this button and you can choose which feed that you want to use and click on use. So the best one is currently, I think, the octopus feed. So I've already used it, so I'm gonna just leave it as it is. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.